In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Deepseek file upload when it's not working on your browser. Let's get started. First, I click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and navigate down to select Settings. From the left sidebar, I click on Privacy and Security, then click on the Delete Browsing Data option. I make sure the time range is set to all time, then click the Delete Data button at the bottom right. Once the browser cache and cookies are cleared, I go back to the chat.deepseek.com tab to see if it resolves the issue. Next, if the issue persists, I go back to the top right menu icon, hover over Extensions, and click Manage Extensions. I review my active extensions to make sure none are interfering, specifically checking if any VPN extension is active. I disable any problematic extensions and close the tab. Now, let's test uploading a file in Deepseek. I click the paperclip icon in the message box, select a document from my local downloads folder, and click Open. The file starts uploading, but it seems to get stuck or failed to process correctly. I click the X button on the file to clear it. To try a different approach, I open my file manager, locate the document, and try dragging and dropping it directly into the chat area. The file uploads, but again, it doesn't process properly. I click the X to remove it. At this point, I notice that the Deepseek interface is in instant mode. In instant mode, only text is supported for extraction. I toggle the setting over to vision mode instead, then click the paperclip icon again, select an image file, and hit Open. The image uploads perfectly because vision mode supports files and image understanding. To demonstrate what happens when there's an incompatibility, I toggle the setting back to instant mode, click the paperclip icon, select the same image file, and try to upload it. Deepseek immediately gives a "no text found" error because instant mode cannot extract text from this file type. I toggle back to vision mode, click the paperclip icon, select the image again, and it uploads successfully. If you are still experiencing upload errors even after changing the chat mode, the final and most reliable solution is to try using an incognito window. I click the three dots in Chrome, select the new incognito window, and type in Deepseek Login into the search bar. I click the official link to enter Deepseek, then fill in my email and password to log back in. I head over to the chat box, switch to my preferred chat mode, and I can now upload files and chat without any further issues. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.